Welcome to the registration video for Delta College. Today you will learn how to register for courses by using the student portal. Let's go ahead and begin. You will find the portal link located in the upper right corner. If you do not see the word portal, you will need to click on the three-line menu icon. You are now at the login page for the portal. Enter your username and password. If you do not know your username or password, you can find this information at the bottom right by clicking on Reset Password. You are now at the portal home screen. You will find access to your email at the upper left. Just below that, you will see campus links. Click on Student Self-Service. Click on Student Planning. You are now in Student Planning. You will notice two options. Number 1, View Your Progress. This will be useful for monitoring your progress towards graduation, reviewing your program, or degree requirements. Number 2, Plan Your Degree and Register for Classes will take you to the registration screen. Click on Number 2. Student Planning will default to the current semester. If you are enrolled in class, you will see them on the calendar. To plan your future semester courses, you will need to click on the right arrow to move to the next semester. Now you can build your schedule. Click on View Other Sections to see all the sections that are available as options. You will notice the course options have been expanded. Courses will show on the calendar view to the right as well as to the left. When you hover your mouse over the courses on the left, the corresponding section will highlight on the right. Some courses may have multiple pages. You can search other sections by clicking on the single arrow button. Once you have identified the section and click on it, the Section Detail screen will appear. In the Section Detail screen, you will find contact information for the instructor, meeting information, dates of the course, seats available, credits, and any requisite or prerequisite information. When choosing your course, it is important to pay attention to location. Delta College offers courses at 4 locations, so make sure that you're choosing the correct one. Once you have read over all of the course descriptions and any information listed below, you can now add the section to your schedule. Click on Add Section. In addition to campus locations, Delta College also offers online courses. Those courses are listed as online or ONLN. If you choose an online course, this class will show at the bottom of the calendar view. Online courses typically do not have a set meeting time each week. Therefore, they will not show up in the main calendar view. However, some online courses may require testing through our testing center. Lastly, courses listed as blended are partially online and partially on campus. This offers students the opportunity to meet in a classroom setting and complete assignments online. You have successfully planned a course. However, you have not registered yet. You will need to click on the Register button beneath the course. You can also click Register Now at the upper right to register all planned courses at once. This will save you clicking each course section individually. If the course you chose says waitlist, this means that there are currently no open seats in the class. You may choose to waitlist yourself into the class. If you do, you must check your Delta email daily. Each day the lists are processed electronically to see if anyone who has registered for the class has dropped it. If so, a spot becomes available. If you are next on the waitlist, an email will be sent to your Delta College email address. You will have 48 hours or 2 days to accept the spot by registering for the class. Registration instructions are included in the email. You are not registered automatically. Choosing to go on a waitlist does not mean you've actually registered for the class. It only means you are interested in a particular class if a space becomes available. Now that you have registered, you will notice the course has turned green, and your enrolled credits now reflect the course that you have registered for. Once you have registered for all of your courses, You may go to the next semester and do the same. Delta offers registration for multiple semesters, so make sure that you register for all the semesters that you wish to attend.